Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gene Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Squid Game. American fans' favorite 2026 shoot creator Hee Bong Jong Hyuk and director David Fincher involved. Previously, Hee Bong Jong Hyuk denied his involvement in the American continuation of the show, written by Abhishek Rawal, journalist, published on 21st November 2025. The English version of the famed South Korea thriller show Squid Game is ready to set sail, while previously only murmurs about its prediction and possible crossover with the original variant were heard. It seems that the idea is set in stone and will take flight in the coming year. According to a Collider report, the project will go on floors in the coming year and will involve famed director David Fincher alongside the original creator of the series, Hwang Dong-hyuk. Squid Game America to break a leg next year, here's all we know. Quoting the details on the Film and Television Industry Alliance FTIA website, Squid Game America will begin filming on 26 February 2026. Among the possible locations, Los Angeles and California have been named the biggest spots for filming. Director David Fincher will helm the project as the lead director with original creator Hwang Dong-hyuk and Kim Ji-yeon, CEO of Fredman Studio, joining hands with him as producers. Squid Game America has not confirmed the nitty-gritties of the project. However, it has been said that it will be set in the same universe as the original Squid Game. An official spin-off it will not remake the storyline, but instead run parallel to the Korean counterpart. It will showcases the cultural change and the implementation of American take on the games. Previously, actors Kate Blanchett made a cameo in Squid Game season 3, right after the end of the games, hitting at her takeover of the role originally played by Gongkyo, the salesperson. She will reportedly join the Western variant as well. While no confirmation has been made from the director or the creator side about the adaptation, the details on the website appear to be more or less the same. It was also reported that in line with the filming schedule, the release of the project might appear to be around 2028 during Christmas time. Much like the previous two seasons of Squid Game, no further seasons for the Korean variant are planned as of yet. Also, it will there be Squid Game for all we know about Lee Jong Jae's Terror's feature as season third final leaves fans speculating credits cold leader Netflix. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.